Hello 2T1. Now in today's lesson, we'll be doing worksheet 13.1, the menu. Now your neighbor has started a cafe. He has asked you to help him create a menu. You have to create a two-page menu using the pictures given and this following text. Insert a page break when necessary. Create a fanciful text with the following text and put them in a header. A student being your name. Create a footer with the following text. All prices are subject to service charge and GST, and you have to italicize the text. Lastly, you have to create a suitable page border. Now the menu may look like the one in the next page. Right, so let's start. So go to Microsoft Word. We'll be using text boxes for this. Right, click on blank document. Okay, after which we'll start by inserting the word art. I'm going to choose this. You can also make some adjustments to the shape by clicking on transform. I can stretch out this. Okay, after which you have to insert in the header, all prices are subject to service charge and GST. So go to the footer to insert in the footer. Click on the blank, all prices. Okay, I'm going to select this and to italicize it. So go back to home, italicize this. Right? It says under the instructions, okay, you have to italicize the text. And you have to insert a page break when necessary. This document takes 2 pages. So, move this back up. Alright, to insert a page break, what you do is click on Insert. Click on Break. And insert page break. So over here you can see that this is a page break. That means you are inserting a new page. So in total there are 2 pages. Alright, and we are going to go on to create the text boxes and so on. Alright, so we need to insert all these pictures. I'm going to insert a picture first. This is from PS13. Right, resize it. You may also want to adjust the text wrap, such as square, so you can move it around, and after which I can insert a text box, and I'm going to put it at the right side over here. I'm going to type in the text, rise and shine breakfast. Bold this, centralize. Subsequently, I can just carry on and type in the rest of the text. do is meat sticks. After which you can go on to insert the next picture. Right, click on insert picture. So go on and insert the next picture. Again, resize this. Under wrap text, I'm going to select square. Again, make adjustments to it. Resize this. Insert the third picture. Pet breakfast. Text wrap, I'm going to again select square. I'm going to move it up and adjust this. Right, after which you can go on to create another text box for the next item. Right, for this will be the sumptuous lunch. Centralize this. Right. You go on to type in the words again. Okay, I can go on to insert the next picture. Which shows the lunch picture. Again, resize the picture. Under wrap text, select square. Okay, this picture you can put it next to the text box. right? And not forgetting there will be one more picture at the bottom. All right, so insert picture. This one will be the set lunch. So choose the one that says lunch set 1. Resize it under the wrap text square. Okay, and adjust the picture to shift it at the bottom. Right, I'm going to put it at the bottom of the first page. Resize this. Right, so moving on to the second page. So I will start by inserting a text box. So this will be the dinner treat. Highlight this, bold, centralize it. Now I'm going to tab in the dinner treats. The set, choice of 3 meat. Right, so this is the text for the dinner treats. Alright, now go on to insert the pictures. So dinner treats, there are again 2 pictures. Right, dinner set 1 and the a la carte. So again, resize this. Text wrap square. Move it to put it at the right hand side. So dinner a la carte. Again, resize this. Put it here. And after that, you have your side delights. So I'm going to start by inserting a picture first. So go to insert, picture. These are the side delights, one of that, which is the dessert. Resize the picture and again select type. There's one more picture, right, which is the salad. Resize it. Right, select square and you just have to move it up. Okay, the last thing you need to do will be to insert the text box. So insert text box, click on a simple text box. Right, and we'll need to type in the side delights. Right, the text box looks better with the words bold. Right, bold the text. Okay, and the last thing will be just to insert the page border. Before you do that, make sure, alright, all the items fit into 2 pages. So you need to backspace to make sure it fits into 2 pages. After which you will just need to create the page border. So to create a page border, go to page layout, or rather go to design. Okay, go to design, click on page borders. We're going to create, alright, an art page border. So click on box, alright, under art. Okay, choose the one that looks something like this, click OK, alright, and apply it on the entire document. Right, so once you have done it, proceed to save your work. File, save as, save in a folder, work to submit. Worksheet 13.1, the menu _ your name.